To find documentation for DigitalOcean Managed Databases, start by visiting the DigitalOcean website. Once you are on the website, navigate to the top navigation menu and click on the documentation link. This will take you to the DigitalOcean documentation homepage, where you can find a wealth of information on various DigitalOcean products and services, including managed databases. In the search bar at the top of the page, type Managed Databases and press Enter. This will bring up a list of relevant articles and guides related to managed databases. You can browse through the search results to find the specific documentation you need. Alternatively, you can also click on the products link in the top navigation menu and select Managed Databases. From the drop-down list, this will take you directly to the Managed Databases documentation page, where you can find detailed information on how to create, manage, and use your managed databases. The documentation covers a range of topics, including getting started with managed databases, creating and managing database clusters, configuring database settings, and troubleshooting common issues. You can also find information on database engine support, including MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Redis. In addition to the documentation, DigitalOcean also provides a range of tutorials and guides to help you get the most out of your managed databases. These tutorials cover topics such as migrating your database to DigitalOcean, optimizing database performance, and securing your database. To get the most out of the documentation, it is a good idea to familiarize yourself with the different sections and topics covered. You can use the search function to quickly find specific information, and you can also bookmark important pages for future reference. By following these steps and taking advantage of the resources available, you can easily find the documentation you need to manage your DigitalOcean managed databases effectively. Remember to always check the documentation regularly for updates and new features, and to reach out to DigitalOcean support if you have any questions or need further assistance.